Hello everyone. Hi, my name is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today we're gonna make a keto pizza. For all the people who are on the keto diets, we're gonna make a keto pizza today, okay? This is all the ingredients you're gonna need, okay? For a keto pizza. Okay, you guys, so what I did is put just a little bit of oil in the pan. Okay, and then next we're gonna add the pizza crust. All right, very fast video, you guys. All right, and then I'm just gonna add my pizza sauce. Okay, and I like for my pizza, well, at least for today, to be just a little bit spicy. So I got some jalapeno peppers, and I'm just dicing them. I'm just gonna add a few of these on top of my pizza. You can put whatever toppings you want on top of your pizza. But mine, I'm just gonna have some pepperoni, some jalapeno pepper, and cheese. Okay, that's it. All right, you guys. Okay guys, this is the pizza after I added all my ingredients that I wanted on my pizza. And you guys, you can add whatever you want on your pizza, on your keto pizza. Okay, so I just put pepperoni, some jalapeno peppers, and my Kobe Jack cheese. Okay, and then I added some Italian seasoning. All right, so now I'm gonna put this in the oven for about, well, we'll see. We're gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, okay? All right, so onto the oven. Let's go to the oven. Okay, now you guys, we're gonna add the pizza. I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven for about 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes, we'll check on her. Okay guys, that's my timer. So it's been 15 minutes and look at that. Ooh, she ready. My keto pizza. Okay, so it's been in for 15 minutes, so now I'm gonna take it out, okay? I'll meet you over at the counter. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. Don't she look good? A keto pizza. Can you tell that it's keto? No, you can't tell that it's pizza. This is a keto pizza, right? Watch this. See? It didn't stick to the pan either. See? I just wanted to show you this part. See? She did not stick to the pan. This is a perfectly delicious keto pizza. Okay? So now let me make a plate and I'll show you guys. Okay? Alright, so I'm gonna slice her. See that, you guys? Delicious keto pizza. You don't have to eat all that bread if you don't like to eat a lot of bread. Like me. I don't like to eat a lot of bread. When I want a pizza, I'll make this type of pizza because of I don't like the bread. So make your keto pizza and enjoy your pizza with your guest. Okay? When your family wants pizza, enjoy your pizza. You can have pizza also. There you go. All right, let me put it in a nice plating and I'll show you guys. Okay, and there you have it, keto pizza. You have keto pizza. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think about this keto pizza. Thank you guys. See you next time. I'll see you on my next one. Thanks.